Peter Okoye's wife Lola Omotoyo gave her motivational quotes. Superstar musician Two-Face Idibia sues Brymo for 1 billion over deformation of character.
My correct people dem no be small tin o, as everybody dey give motivational quotes. Na im Peter Okoye wife say make she follow give her own o, so at all no go everly bad pass. No be she go come carry last yo. As people buy exercise book, they write motivational quote from different people. She too, she must get something where people go write for that book. Well, my own book don't full yo. So wetin she talk, me I feel say na just joke oh, she just want cash cruise, she just want make people laugh, but people don't carry am like say na one kind serious something. They don't just dey talk things wey no even get head. They took it serious, but for me I no take am serious. I feel say she just dey play. But make una let me know for comment section whether na serious talk abi na play talk abi she just want more crack our ribs. I no know my correct people dem, so make I read am. She say if your husband leaves his clothes on the floor, it means he doesn't want them. It's okay to throw them in the trash. I will be back tomorrow with more marriage tips and advice. She can put emoji with a sweat for head. Me, I felt it was just a joke. Oh, I felt it was just a joke. But some people will be saying they don't balance with their exercise book to take advice and motivation, so they don't take am serious. Well, my correct people, them, oh, I don't know. Make I read the comments for una. May una see. Alright, so the first thing here say, what works for her might not work for you. Oh, can't laugh. No go provoke oga by throwing clothes in the trash show. The second person say, play in your husband's house. Don't give a suicidal lecture here auntie at all. Because see now people don't they take am serious. Then the next person say, now the opposite people like this they do for house. So mumu girls go follow this advice. So the last person say, what if he wants it to wash? Abi, do you hang dirty clothes? So me, I believe say na play na she just dey play, but people don't take am serious. Dirty clothes, when you dey select your dirty clothes from your wardrobe, no be to throw am for ground first. Na to throw am for ground first. Now when you throw am for ground, then you pack and go put for dirty cloth basket. Then the day when you ready to wash them, you pack and put for washing machine. Well, now so way me I dey do. Alright, so my great people dem wanna know this Annie and Two-Face Idibia, Matthias, we be say the thing don shele wey. Now when the thing won't calm down, na him Brymo go dey call out Two-Face. He say, say Two-Face with that accusation and say he enter him wife yonder. Say no go take am kindly, say him go deal with Two-Face go but instead of him dealing with Two-Face now, na Two-Face come talk about they deal with him. Now wow, on top that matter, many people don't show my put on top the matter. So they let Daddy Freeze don't follow show my put for the matter. Other people can say, why Daddy Freeze they talk like that? I don't do the news yesterday, my correct people them. So now instead of him to deal with Two-Face, now Two-Face now don't talk about they deal with them as Two-Face don't sue him to court. Yeah, see him here. He said deformation of Mr. Innocent Idibe. We are solicitors to Mr. Innocent Idibe, PKA to Baba, hereinafter referred to as a client and on whose instruction we write. Your publication on Twitter that our client falsely accused you of sleeping with his wife and that our client was responsible for the attack on your person, which attack was far
Supposedly burdens his missus. So for claiming the spot of the greatest artist alive among such other similar false allegations have been brought to our client's notice. The baseless and false allegations have caused unspeakable distress to our client and his family. You have also caused her client's estimation to be lowered in the estimation of his friends, business associates, and wider members of the public, and further cause him significant loss of business. Our client will give you the benefit of a doubt. Perhaps you were inspired to spur such nonsense after one of his self-confessed episodes of spending days getting high and philandering, in which case we demand that within 48 hours of receipt of this letter, you withdraw your statement and publish on your entire social media accounts an unreserved apology to our client and his wife. Should you fail to refuse to meet our demands, we shall perfect our client's instruction to pursue redress by seeking not less than 1 billion naira in damage against you in court. Thank you. My cry people them. Guy man don't reply you. No be small thing o. In the radio for fight you. Now he can say, I have received this from Innocent Idibia's lawyer. Or so it reads. I will advise they go to court as I insist on all my tweets. Now I can say, bros, your reign is over. Stay at home, start a farm. Now music we dey do for here. No be Godfather we dey form. Alright, so someone will see waiting there for fans belle. The first person here say, wow, just read comments. No wonder the country ends up with Buhari just because Two-Face is my favorite doesn't mean he couldn't be at fault here. Why can't he call the guy and clear this out since they have met before? I beg, make we know they do like Agbaya Jare. Same way he dragged with blackface for years. Let's just face fact. What's wrong is wrong. And the second person say, who is Brimo? Come laugh. Say never come across his music. And the third person say, I hope Brimo has real evidence of this accusation. If not, his career will turn south pretty fast. Then the last person can say that you are musically intelligent doesn't mean you are legally intelligent. Them don't serve you the suit. Don't come to social media and rant. Get your lawyers to respond too. Much word from you can make you guilty of the charge. So, we wanna advise Yamo. Alright, so my correct people them Daddy Freeze don't use the matter, do round table. So make we listen to Daddy Freeze and Daddy Shoki. Alright.
The case of Brimo and Two-Face. I've been watching it and I've been laughing and laughing. My reason of using that word I've been laughing and laughing is this. First of all, Two-Face and his wife were going through a lot. This is not the time of that type of issue. Unless if you have anything against Two-Face or Two-Face accused you of this, and you have proof, you go and at least you know people to call out. Look at what this guy did though. This issue that Brimo is saying, this is somebody's wife, one, and this is somebody's husband. And they are going through a lot with families, crisis going on. So unless they don't want peace to be in the boy's family, anybody that is supporting what is going on does not want peace to be in Two-Face family. If they go to court, they will still boil to the same thing that you said. They will call us. We will start calling beg. We can settle. We can talk out of court. So for me, and anybody like make it happy. Anybody like happy. Some people want to take issues and get popular. But you don't play with people's life. You don't play with people's life. Believe me, you don't play with people's life. So you, Brimo, at least you know people that knows Two-Face. If you have anything in your mind that this guy accused me for what I did not do, or you go and report him to those people. Somebody like Eddie Lawani is there. Eddie Lawani is the father of every prosecuting myself. Eddie Lawani is like father to all of us. Go and meet Eddie. Report the matter to Eddie. Eddie will call Two-Face.
Well, I agree with Daddy Freeze and Daddy Shoki, all the daddies in the house. All right, my correct people them. This one are the case when cloud chasing go bite person. When I know say sometimes cloud chasing they bite, if let's say night one bite, and so he's just taking advantage of the vulnerable state of Two-Face. Yeah, just people will get issues. They just try to sort themselves out. You won't go bring another gbege for the family. Imagine the kind problem where this kind issue fit cause. And the year we get Kolo, she go begin to shout now, say, I go scatter this house. Because one,
maybe Annie if you no even know say the husband, I don't know whether he go meet and true, but Annie go dey vex say so you dey suspect say they cheat on you, so you even go dey meet person. They accuse the person, say the person enter my kwekus. How you see me? How you see me? You this man. Because of saying na wetin you dey do. You think say na wetin me too I dey do. You be wicked man. You be evil man. This thing fit even cause problem for their marriage. People wey know gravity of wetin he do, they know wetin he do. Even if Two-Face do anything, if no be cloud chasing, even if Two-Face do anything or whatever, me I know they support Two-Face. I don't know how he share it, but why bringing it to social media? Why bringing it to social media? Okay, fine. If you say Two-Face accuse you, now for social media, now he accuse you. Maybe for where una dey there, why you no go meet and two there? You can't bring and come social media so that people will be in the ridicule Two-Face and in family again. That's not nice. Well, my correct people, they may una suffering ho una popcorn. If na coke, una go ho una whole am join. As the news they share, let they go. Now so I go they bring una updates. For now, una thank you so much for watching. May una try stay beautiful. May una bye.